Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Basilica of Saint Louis, King of France, stands as one of the earliest surviving structures of the city, forming a direct link to its colonial origins. Established in 1770, only a few years after the founding of Saint Louis, it reflects the central role of Catholicism in shaping the early identity of the settlement. While much of the surrounding riverfront has been rebuilt or cleared over time, this structure remains anchored to its original purpose, maintaining continuity across more than 2 centuries. Its presence is closely tied to the French foundations of the city. Early Saint Louis was predominantly French in language, culture, and religious practice, and the establishment of a Catholic church was essential to community structure. The parish functioned as a centre of social organisation, marking key life events such as baptism, marriages, and burials, while reinforcing a shared identity within a developing frontier settlement. The current structure, largely completed in the early 19th century, reflects a restrained adaptation of European design, elements of neoclassical architecture visible in its symmetry and balanced proportions, but the overall scale remains modest when compared to later religious buildings. Materials and construction methods were shaped by local availability, resulting in a structure that prioritized durability and function over elaborate decoration. What distinguishes this cathedral is its ability to persist through major transformations around it. During the 20th century, large sections of the original riverfront were demolished to make way for redevelopment, including the creation of Gateway Arch National Park. Entire blocks of historic buildings were removed, altering the surrounding context. Despite this, the basilica was preserved, standing as one of the few remaining elements of the pre-industrial city. This shift has changed how the building is experienced. It no longer sits within a continuous historic streetscape, but instead exists within a more open landscape that emphasizes its historical role. The contrast between the basilica and the surrounding space highlights the scale of the change that has taken place across the riverfront. The designation as a basilica reflects its ongoing religious and cultural significance within the Catholic Church. It continues to operate as a place of worship while also serving as a historic landmark. This dual role reinforces its position as a living connection between the city's origin and its present form. Its location near the Mississippi River remains relevant, as the early settlements depended on proximity to the water for trade and movement. Although the river's economic role has evolved, this geographic relationship still provides context for understanding how the city was first organized. The Basilica of Saint Louis, King of France, represents continuity within a city defined by change. While surrounding structures have been replaced or removed, this building remains its original function and identity, preserving a direct connection to the earliest phase of Saint Louis.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.